Hi, Lee and Susan. This is Jeff Franz here at Craig Smith RV, home of warranty forever. I want to thank you for your interest in the Leisure Travel Unity twin bed. This is a 2017. And I know, Susan, you can't be with us here until this weekend, so I wanted to take this opportunity just to show you a few features about this beautiful 25-foot motorhome. First, you can see the aerodynamic design and how this is. And this becomes very important because when you're traveling down the road, it really is like driving a van instead of finding a big motorhome in there. If you want to come around inside, just show you a few things in here about this particular unit. You actually can sleep three in this unit. And you can passenger 4 people, and the seats will turn around so you can actually have seating and dining for 4 people in here. If you come back into the back, you can see you have this sleeping, the twin bed arrangement, so that's where it's named for. If you want, you can actually take this feature here, fold it out, and fill in a mattress, and you can actually make this a king bed if you want to. But this is ideal if you have separate sleeping or things like that. You could go in here, but very spacious, very comfortable, very roomy. You can see that you have a separate bathroom. So the toilet's there and a shower. It's not like your traditional Class B where you're kind of cramped in trying to do everything in one place. And just take you in here and show you that shower real quick. And this one even has a portable washer and dryer with it in there. So again, this is ideal because you don't have to tow a vehicle. You can get in and out of parking spaces. You get tremendous fuel economy in these units. Our customers tell you getting between 18 and 20 miles to the gallon. So it's a very economical way to travel. To me, it's like having a rolling rest area and hotel rooms. So what a great way to travel and see the country.